day 3 of our breathing challenge. We will add one more breathing technique, which is my favorite. Cats will follow you everywhere because breathing cleans up your energy. Raise your arms up. Inhale. With exhale, close your fingers. Lift your palms up towards the ceiling. Take a deep inhale. And with exhale, Ujjayi breath. Bend to the left. Stay here for a moment. Pull your fingers towards the left corner of the room. Inhale, center. Exhale to the opposite side. Stay here. Inhale. And with exhale, pull those fingers towards the right corner of the room. Inhale, center. Exhale, bend. Inhale, center. And exhale, bend. Inhale, center. Open your palms towards the center of the room. Spread your fingers. Bend your elbows 90-degree, chest up and forward. Scapular squeeze. Grow through the crown of your head. And we will do Kapalabhati, which means that you will exhale. You will force your exhale by sending your navel to a spine. And inhale will come naturally. So you exhaling awarenessly, and inhale, you don't control, it comes naturally. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale through the nose, inhale through the nose. Resist to pet your cat or any pets that are attracted to your energy right now. So Kapalabhati will look like this. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose. Keep the tissue next to you. Inhale, exhale. Another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift your arms up. Exhale, relax them. Palms up. Drop your fingers, your palms on your knees. Start breathing in your own pace, noticing how you feel. Give me 3 deep breaths in your own pace, in your own style. One more inhale and exhale. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, combine your fingers and bend to the side. Exhale, Ujjayi breath. Inhale, center. Exhale to the other side. Inhale, center. Exhale, Ujjayi to the other side. Inhale, center. Exhale to the other side. Inhale, center. Exhale, open your arms 90-degree angle with your elbows. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Grow through the crown of your head. We will do another round of Kapalabhati. Inhale, up. Exhale, elbows to the waistline. Exhaling and inhaling through the nose. Another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Raise your arms up. Exhale, drop your palms on your knees. Drop your shoulders, relax your shoulders. Relax your facial muscles and unclench your jaw. Give me 3 deep breaths in your own pace. Recouping, noticing how you feel. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, open your arms. Lift your chest up and forward. Inhale. And with exhale, send those arms behind you. Lock your fingers. Push your shoulder blades towards each other. pull your chest up and forward. Let's stay here for 2 more Ujjayi breath. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now breathe in your own pace, noticing how you feel. We will do 1 more round of Kapalabhati afterwards. Stay here, feel that opening in your chest. Now relax your shoulders, relax your elbows, drop your shoulders down, raise those arms up. Inhale, exhale, open your palms to the center of the room. Give me 90-degree angle with your elbows, squeeze your shoulder blades together, grow through the crown of your head. Inhale, exhale. Another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Raise your arms up. Exhale, drop your palms. Relax your shoulders. Unclench your jaw. Noticing how you feel. Take 3 more deep breaths. Don't forget to write in the comments below how you feel. Track your own progress. Have a nice rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.